Good morning, students. Welcome again to class 11th Informatic Practices. Let's continue with the topic SQL. In my last video, I have shown you how to create a table in SQL and how to insert data in a table. Now in this video, I will show you how to select particular columns and particular rows from table in SQL. So let's begin. Now click on the ASQL app. Now click on student database. This will change your database to student database. This database we have created in our last video. Click on the query. In the last video we created the table class 11. So we select this table. For selecting the table, type the command select star from class 11. Click on the arrow. This shows our class 11 table. Now we select the particular columns. For example, we will show here roll number and name. If we want to select only roll number and name columns, we will type the command select roll number, comma, name from class 11. Press enter. Now see, the table class 11, it shows only the roll number and the name of the students. So we can select the particular columns by typing their name of the column, and from which table we want that columns. Here the table is class 11. We select roll number, name from class 11. Now the next command is to select particular rows from class 11. Again we see the table. This is our class 11 table. To select particular rows, we are selecting the rows in which the admission number is greater than 1200. For this, we write the command select star from class 11 where admission number is greater than 1200. Now see, only those students' data will appear where the admission number is greater than 1200. In our first table, we have 10 rows of data, and in the next table, we have only 8 rows of data. The admission number 1112 and the admission number 1119 are not included in this table. In this way, we can select particular rows of data from the table. Again, I am showing you one more example. We select those rows of data which have roll number greater than 7. For this, we type select star from class 11 where roll number greater than 7. See, in this table we have only 3 rows of data, 8, 9 and 10. The data is sorted according to the roll number. So the where clause is used for showing the data according to the condition. In this way, we can specify the particular rows and particular columns. For selecting particular column, we have to type the column names and then the table name, and for selecting particular rows, we use the where clause, and according to the condition, our data is sorted. Hope you understand this. Thank you.